another episode of Music Made Easy. I'm Mr. Musticato. I have a really fun lesson planned for us today, and it's all about composing. We're all going to get to compose our own songs. And I'm going to teach you how to compose songs on your instrument, whatever instrument you have. So, without any further ado, let's go over to the presentation. All right, composing your own song. Let's get to it, shall we? This is one of the most fun things about music. I love composing my own songs and writing my own rhythms and beats and melodies, and you're gonna love it too, I promise. Let's get started. So, first things first, let's use what we know as a guide. So, these are some things that we know, right? These are our notes, and these are our rests, right? We have whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Right? These are our rests. That's a whole rest, a half rest, a quarter rest, and an eighth rest. Okay? And these are all the note and rest values on the other side, right? So a whole note equals 4 beats. Okay? So remember from our last lesson, there are 4 beats in a measure when we are in 4/4 time. Now that's really, really important when you're composing a song. You have to make sure that you use just 4 beats in each measure. It can't be any less and it can't be any more. Let's see what that looks like. So, you also may choose any of the first 5 notes of your concert B-flat major scale. Okay, this is something that we've been working on for a while, but just in case you need a refresher, here are the concert B-flat scales for each instrument group. Flutes and trombones, you guys start on B-flat and go through to F. Clarinets and trumpets, you guys start on C, go all the way up to G. And saxophones, you guys start on G and go all the way up to D. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how I would make a song if I was writing one for the saxophone. So here's my example. This is just our refresher, right? We're going to use this as a guide while we're writing our song, okay? There's my trusty saxophone, my favorite instrument, and here's the one I chose. Okay, so let's go through it. We have our treble clef over here. We have our time signature over here, 4/4, which means that there are 4 beats in a measure. Just a reminder, 4 beats in a measure, okay? So I go G, B, B, D, C, B, A, D, B, half rest, C, B, A, G. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this measure right here, just so we can see if I did my math correctly, right? So the first note is a quarter note on C, right? So if we look at our guide, right, our quarter note gets 1 beat. So I'm going to write 1 beneath it, just like that. Okay. Next is also a B. It's a B quarter note. Quarter notes get 1 beat, so we're going to write a 1 beneath that as well. And 2 beats is a half note. Does everyone see that? Half note equals 2 beats, so we'll write a 2 underneath that. Now, just remember, the magic number is 4. We have to make sure everything adds up to 4. Let's see if it works. Let's do it. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals, let's do it, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So it works. Let's try this measure just for fun, okay? Quarter note is 1 beat. Another quarter note is 1 beat again. So we have 1 plus 1, and this right here is our half rest, right? If we go up to our half rest symbol, we could see that it equals 2 beats as well. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4 once again. So I hope this makes sense, and basically I'll lead you along and help you sort of write your own song. As you can see, all you have to do is about like 4 measures, right? You don't have to make it like 8 measures or 16 measures. I just did a quick 4 measure song, right? There's my measure marker, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I really hope that you guys can take what you've learned from this presentation and start writing your own music. Okay? Really, really experiment, right? Experiment with the different types of notes you can use and with the different types of rhythm symbols you can use, right? And you only have to write like a 4 measure piece of music. It doesn't have to be 8 measures or 16 or 32. Okay? It can be quick. And then as soon as you get better and better and you develop your skills more, you'll be able to write more measures and you'll be able to use more notes. Okay? And it's all about discovering how to have fun on your instruments. So have some fun with it. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you all next time.